All right, Victor, and a doorbell camera captures the impact between a man on a bicycle and the driver who never saw him. That driver did not stop.
Police are now hoping you can help them track him or her down. It was Saturday night on 14 Mile Road between Utica and Hayes. Jason Colthorpe here with more of this video that is very tough to watch, Jason.
And even tougher to listen to, guys. That's because the car in question was going about 45 miles an hour when it slammed into this 48-year-old man on his bike.
It was Saturday night, 7 p.m., right in front of a house on 14 Mile near Edgegrove in Fraser, when a bicycle suddenly veers from the right shoulder into traffic and is hit by a car. At that point, police say it wasn't the driver's fault, but as you can see, that changes when the driver doesn't stop. And because it was a Ring doorbell camera that captured this accident, there was sound. And as difficult as that is to hear, it helps police draw some conclusions.
He saw him at the last minute because you can hear the braking, you can hear the squealing of the tires, you can hear the impact. It was a pretty significant impact.
Police also believe the driver knew exactly what they'd hit, a person.
And this vehicle just kept going. He didn't stop, left him in the street like he hit an animal.
Several other cars did stop, and you can see neighbors rushing out to help the 48-year-old man from Fraser, who was badly hurt with a broken hip and femur.
When something like this happens, you have to stop. It's another human being that you just struck. You have to stop and do what you can to help that person.
The victim in this case underwent surgery on his hip and his femur, that's his thigh bone, very serious midsection injuries, and police say he's got a ways to go before he makes a full recovery. They're also hoping to find that driver of the second car, hoping maybe that car, which was behind the car that hit this guy, got a plate number, maybe a description of the car.
Well, in fact, what clue, because it is dark in the video.
Yeah, all they really can say is it's an older model sedan, but they are looking obviously for some front end damage, but the bike was red and they think there might be some paint on that car, so if they see a car in question, check that.
Yeah.
All right, Jason, thanks.